morning. Governor EZIOKWU is here, Olilanya.
Governor EZIOKWU bow before you. No one is like unto you. The God that created Leviathan, which eyes have never seen.
Good morning to you.
I put my trust in you. To your glory, O Lord. No one is like you, Jehovah.
Obindi ebina, Obindi ebina.
Governor EZIOKWU is here. Ebina,
Obindi chionye wem.
Good morning to you.
Onye nwere gị n'osirike, ebe nwere gị na dị ebube.
Good morning to you all. Those watching me currently. Governor EZIOKWU is here. Tell somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. The son of the Shadowite is here. All right, a very quick one this morning. My name is Governor EZIOKWU Olilanya Ndimo. Before I go on with my morning broadcast, my message this morning, I want to say this. And I hope it goes down well with you.
Abụ m nwa nke Chukwu, abụ m nwa nke onye nwe m, abụ m nwa nke dadi, ekwesị enweghị.
Mweze, Joe, you're welcome. Governor EZIOKWU is here. Olilanya. Before I go on with my message, this morning, let me say this. Yesterday, I got a call from some of my fans, some of those who likes and believes in what I do. And some people were saying that Governor EZIOKWU, we heard that you took jpac to a shrine to summon somebody. Brothers, sisters, that is not whom I am. It is not me. I think different thing. And maybe you have another thing bothering you. And I can assure you for free that what you're thinking and what I'm thinking, they are not the same. It is not me. People can allege, Chinedu, Sam, you're welcome. People can say anything they like, but the truth remains whom you are is just within your own conscience and your mind. There is nothing of such going on. jpac is an adult and has every right to do whatever he wishes to do without even consulting, including me. So that being said, I want people to disregard such. It is not Governor EZIOKWU. I have no business with any shrine, with any native doctor. I have no business with them. I am just on my own. So many things. Sinclair, you're welcome. I have a lot on me. Onamba Arinze Chukwu, you're welcome. Member, the great Shanamite family. I have a lot on me that I must fight, that I must deal with, and not certain unnecessary things. A lot of things has been going on the internet, fabricated stories and all that. Unlike the young man I watched his video, who came out on the internet and was saying na ya arala nwunye jpac, na ya arala mmadụ, na-akpọ hotel, na-akpọ nka akpọ nka. People don't know when they cross their boundaries, when they cross their limits, when they exceed their level of operations. People don't know. That's why I learn from things going on the internet, and I speak to those around me. The first level of idiocy in relationship is when somebody starts threatening you because he or she had an affair with you. I don't know where their maturity comes from. And you that watches them, I also ask you, where is your maturity? Will I come to the internet one morning and start showing your nude? I will not. At all costs. People bring close to that to my ear. But I don't think I can accept that. I am on live broadcast now. You're going to give me some minutes to call you back. Please. So those who do such things, where is dignity, if I may ask? I am busy right now. You give me some time to get back to you, please. I can't keep putting my phones in airplane mode. Hello, Governor EZIOKWU is on live broadcast. I'll get back to you shortly. I'll get back to you, please. So, people do much of these things and they tell you that they have respect for themselves. But when I look at it, I wonder where they get their own. I don't know where they get those things from. You have a sister. Possibly you're going to have children and daughters will be born. And when people start fabricating lies against your daughter, against your own wife, against your own sisters, how would you feel at the end of the day? Because we want to catch cruise on the internet does not avail us the opportunity to do anyhow. Like me here, there are things I can't do. My relatives, they will be on me. My friends, I have, forget about comment sections. I have people who look up to me. So what am I going to do? What explanation will I give to them when I do certain things? And that's why, even here on Facebook, we have at least a manageable page. Does it avail us the opportunity to be here daily? The answer is no. I have other things bothering me